Hello and welcome to the Sunday live stream. Hello, my name is Igor, and before we start, let me share with my friends on our Discord server that we are live. And then we will take a look at the board with the progress, but give me a few seconds, please. Okay, good. They will join us soon, I believe. So let's take a look at the dashboard, because there is one very important thing that happened over the last days, and that is the Windows support. And I'm officially moving this into done. So it isn't publicly available yet, but we've started a closed tests for friends that are in our Discord server. So if you also would like to test the application on your Windows machines, please consider joining the Discord server, and from there I will share with you a link that you can use to download the official build of the application for Windows. And please keep in mind that this is still a beta. Hello chat. This is still a beta version, and what does it mean? Well, it means that the application is stable. You can expect bugs and some issues here and there. Most of them, if any, I guess, are smaller issues. So don't be afraid to try. The application is for free and will be for free even if we switch from beta to alpha, so don't be afraid. I won't ask you for your money at some point. That's not the thing. The project is built in public with you for free, and everyone can contribute to it by testing it and sharing thoughts. So please don't be afraid. You can use the comments section, and as well you can consider joining our Discord server. The link is in the description. Please take a look there. And hello, let's start the session. So okay, so as I said, Windows support, this is officially in the done column. PHP LSP, this is still in progress. So there is a new section on the website. If you will go to shikigami.dev to the project homepage, then there is a new section there with a list cards with programming languages that the application supports. And from there you can go into the details subpage, and from there you can learn what does it mean that there is an LSP for PHP or for Python, how it works, and what functionalities are at the moment supported. There is a clear, nice table there, so I encourage you to verify it, take a look at it, and you can as well let me know if there is a certain thing that is missing in the application in terms of LSP. Please don't be afraid to sharing your thoughts. And as well, you can use the Discord server LinkedIn. You can find me on LinkedIn as well, or the comment section. Then the API connection error and the visual indicator. These are two things that we worked on last time during the last live stream. So my recommendation for now is to take a look at these two things, because as far as I remember, these two things are ready. Let's take a look at it. So let's ask, so these two agents on the left, in the left column, so they were supervising the process of the development. So let's ask them what is the state and if we can merge it into the local main branch. And as well, there is one more thing that they should do. They should rebase onto the current local main branch, because it contains now Windows commits. There was quite a lot of them and quite a lot of changes that happened across the code base. So let's start. Please let me know what is the state of the development, and then please rebase onto the local main branch. Okay, there is a problem with network. Let me verify that. Well, I don't see issues. What about the stream health? Everything is good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it works. Good. I want you to rebase onto the local main branch, and then please let me know if the feature that you worked on is ready to be merged to the local main branch. And I'm gonna copy that message. And since we are speaking about duplications in prompts, then let me share with you what we added last time. And these are predefined prompts. So if you have version 4.41 and you will go to the right side column, then there are two buttons. One of them is a databases connection button, and the second one, the one below, are the predefined prompts. This is the list with predefined prompts. So what you can do there? Well, you can add groups for your prompts, and inside groups you can prepare predefined prompts. Let me show you how it looks. So if you want to add a new prompt, then put a label, then please decide in what group would you like to see, in which group would you like to have it, and then you can add a content here. So let me, for example, add what I've just said to my agents. And then this is going to be a reused prompt that I can reuse in the future, and let's name it rebase onto main, and then content. Yeah, let's leave it like this for now. It's just for testing purposes and for the demo. So once you save it, it will be available for you to drag and drop. So there are two icons. Let me make it bigger. Okay, so every item has two icons. First one on the left is the purpose of it is to drag and drop into any selected session. And then on the right is the icon that allows you to move it up or down, or move to a different group. So thanks to that, let me show you. Okay, let's start a test session. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. It can be codex. So codex, claude code, and the open code. These are the agents that are supported at the moment by the application. And by that I mean that we can extend the list of agents, not that it will shrink the other way around. It might be extended. Once you let me know that there are agents that you use as well quite often, we can extend the list. Okay, but anyway, let's choose a random model. Let's start a session. It doesn't matter, it can be in the root. Okay, and speaking of the working directory, so you can decide from by being at this form, a new agent form. So here we can decide at the very bottom if you would like to start a session in a new work tree or in the root of the project. And the root of the project is the branch that you are working on at the moment. If this is a main branch, then the session will be initialized in the main branch in the root, as it says. If you switch a branch, then the project root will be then the branch that you are on is the project root. Yeah, hello, who's 9? Hello. So, yeah, as I said, project root or a new work tree, and then from there you can as well decide if you want to create a new work tree or maybe you want to reuse the existing one. Okay, so let's start it. So this is the session, and then, as I said, you click on a hand icon, click on it with a left mouse button, and then you can drag and drop, and it is available for you. The prompt, pretty easy, but pretty useful, especially if you reuse similar flow across different sessions. Okay, let me close that for now. Let's as well ask agent to not run end-to-end tests yet. I will do it later. Please don't run end-to-end tests. Okay, and let me copy that. Well, of course I want to run end-to-end tests, but I don't want them to be run now, because that will stop us from progressing during the live stream. Because running those tests take quite a lot of time, and I don't want you to look at that, at least not today. What is going on? Yeah, all good, all good. Thank you for asking. Okay, so the first agent reported that the rebase was done. Well, okay, if this is ready to be merged, then please merge it to the local main branch, and we will test that in a minute. What about the other one? Okay, and that means as well that I can close that session. What dialect? Well, let me check. Cause, like, I would say no dialect. Let me check. This would be a Greater Polish dialect. Okay, I didn't know that there is an official name for it even. So the Greater Polish spoken in the West. That is my dialect. Okay, so okay, that was merged. So now it means we can verify that. So let's do it now, or maybe, you know what? Let's take a look at the bugs list. Okay, so that's how it looks. Bugs. Yeah, that was annoying. That one was annoying, so I will move it into planning and we will start a session for that. And maybe that one as well. Okay, so yeah, the first thing that I would like to fix is it is here, let me show you. So yeah, there are two options to open a new workspace, new project, either by clicking, choosing one of the recent, or navigating to a directory, or you can browse. Yeah, but this is the standard option, open local directory. There is also an option to clone a repository. If you paste here a URL, if you choose a destination and you click on a clone and open and there will be an error, then these two inputs will be cleared for you. And that is not what we want. We want to preserve the content until you close this modal. So let me take a screenshot. Let me take a screenshot and let me mark. Let me mark 1 and 2. Okay, let's keep it like this. Okay, you are hungry. Okay. Yeah, please go ahead and enjoy the dinner then. But you can stay with us, you can listen to us if you want. We would be grateful. And what do you plan to eat, by the way? Thank you. Thank you for staying with us. And what would you like to eat? What will you eat? Okay, so I'm going to put a label, so clone project inputs cleared, and this is a bug. And yeah, as I told you, you can select a new worksheet, and that's exactly what we will do now. We want to have a new worksheet for that, created from the main branch. So it is creating a worksheet from a branch that you are currently on, so the branch that you selected with the branch selector. Speak a bit Polish, I want to hear how it sounds. Well, yeah, you let me know what do you want me to say, and I will say that. If there is something specific, but no forbidden words. Please, no forbidden words, and not something controversial as well. Let's be serious. Okay, so new worksheet and the label is here, and if you predefined configurations, then all you have to do then is to click on the configuration that you want to run, and in my case it's gonna be Opus 5 High. So let me start. Okay, today was great. I'm gonna have a dinner. Okay, so in Polish this would be dziś było świetnie, a teraz będę jadł kolację. So something like that. It is, yes. It is. The accent is different. Of course, there are some different words and different vocabulary, right? Grammar is different, I guess. Maybe similar, I don't know. I don't know Russian, to be honest. But yeah, there are some similarities. It's the same language group. It sounds similar, yes. But okay, let me give it a prompt now. Okay, let me think about it. Okay. I've shared with you a model with a selection to clone a project, to clone a Git repository and create a new project. And I want you to improve the error handling in case of an error that might happen during cloning. I want you to not clear inputs, because that's exactly what is happening now. If during cloning there is an error, inputs get cleared, and I had to retype the repository URL again and a desired directory again, and the directory that I wanted to clone it to. Okay, let me take a look at the and by the way, so enjoy your dinner. That in Polish would be, I can use just a one word, that would be smacznego. So, smacznego. Okay, let's get back to work. Let's get back to work. Okay, so I wanted to test this, but let me take a look at the API connection error as well. Is it ready? Okay, so that was rebased. Okay, so let's merge this as well. Oh, but wait. Whoa, in your language, well, I can try to read it, but I have no idea if this will be in close, even in any way close to the correct pronunciation. Well, okay, I will try to read as I believe it could be, and then you can correct me. So, aha, ma, halta, hu, kana, kane. No idea. Okay. Sorry if it was very wrong, then I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. Try to speak in English. Well, let me check one thing. Wait. No idea. No. Okay. Sorry. maybe I will try next time. If I will find some time, I will try to Google it. How should I say that? And then we can try again. Next time. Let me copy that. Okay, I have a copy. Well, it was detected as Hindi, but anyway, I can write it in English, then translate Urdu, and then say it next time. Because it should be Urdu, right? Not Hindi. Okay, let me take a look at the issues list. Sorry. So the production code is correct. So I'm gonna ask it to explain the first one and the second one. Please explain in simple words the first one and the second one. Okay, and it looks like the bug that happened, the issue with the cloning form, it looks like the agent already started fixing that, which is good as well. Urdu and Hindi are very similar. Okay, well, that makes sense to some degree, because these two countries are have a one border, right? Next to each other. So it makes sense as well that the language is similar. But anyway, Urdu is Urdu and Hindi is Hindi. But okay, I'm not the language teacher, so let me not elaborate too much on it. Okay. So we are basically same people, but with different culture. But same language. Okay. Okay, then it makes sense. Okay, now I understand it better. Okay, so let's ask it for recommendation. Okay, so what are the options to fix that? Okay, and let's finally take a look at the visual indicator. So let me run the application in the dev mode. Okay, and this is so it works as expected. The blue line that you can see below the header section, that's exactly the indicator, good. And there is also one more thing that I will add soon, and that is I've mentioned that briefly during the last live stream. So if you have more agents in a workspace, and then, okay, these are end-to-end tests, what you saw, and you switch your focus to a different window, or you work in a different workspace, and you receive a notification that an agent A or B finished its work. Then you click on the notification, you should be taken to the workspace that is associated with that notification. But then you don't know really, if you don't focus on remembering which agent was mentioned in the notification. If you don't remember that, then you don't really know which one reported. Only by looking at the grid, like in this example, we have 4 sessions, and you receive notification, and you don't know really which agent reported that. So we also have to improve that. So if an agent reported something, until you click on that session, there should be a visual indicator that this or that agent reported something. And that could improve the overall experience, because many times in the past, when I worked with more agents across more than one workspace, and then from time to time I was also wondering, okay, so who reported what, and which one is really waiting for me to move to the next phase or to react, and which one is just idling because just because. And if you have ideas, you can let me know as well, either in the comments section or by joining our Discord server. The link is in the description. Feel free to join. A few good people there already with us, so don't be afraid. We will be happy to see you. Okay, then let me close this session. And that means as well that we can move the indicator into the manual verification, because that was already merged. Then the API connection error, ready to merge, is it? Let me take a look. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do with the problem number 1, I'm gonna choose B, because I also have a project cloned. I cloned it into a different machine with a Windows OS running on it. So there I'm gonna verify that. And I believe it will be easier for an agent to also fix it when being run on a Windows machine. Okay, and then the second one. Okay, bunch of tests. And Hussein, in the meantime, you can let us know how is it going with the freelancing. What are you working on at the moment for clients? Maybe another fintech project. Okay, I guess it is running full suite. No, let's stop that. If we can, of course, because maybe not. Okay, it runs as a shell. I could ask it to run only a specific subset. Okay, I stopped that, so let's ask the agent to run only end-to-ends for tests for that specific feature or a bug fix, actually. Please run end-to-end tests only for the thing that you fixed. Because anyway, before the release, I always run the full pipeline. So let's not waste time for that during the live stream. And okay, so the problem number 1, option B. Let's take a look at the problem number 2. Okay, then let me choose A and so B and A. So 2A. Good, and then it means that that session can be closed as well. So now we have 2. Let me take a look at the dashboard and move issues. Okay. So that one is in progress. And let's start another one. And this is specifically, okay, not specifically for Windows because can happen on any other machine. But I've uncovered that while I was testing the application, the Windows version of the application. So let's take care of that. And that is that the Git wasn't detected, and that was leading to an error. And that the application cannot clone the project. So I want the application to let me know beforehand that Git isn't available, so I cannot clone anything. So Git detection, let me name it like this, Git detection, and a new work tree. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now it's time for a prompt. When I tried to clone a repository as a new project, I saw a generic error message, can't clone a repository. And the reason for that was that the Git wasn't available in path. And we should return a proper information instead of a generic message if Git isn't available for the application. And sorry, not Git, but Git, of course. Okay, let me verify one more thing related to the project cloning. My wish is to clear those inputs only if user close the model. Please confirm that this is the case. Okay, so that is what we want. If there is an error, we preserve the content. If you close the model, then of course the content of it shouldn't be preserved or stored in the memory and should be just removed. Okay, so let's also ask, sorry, not ask, but instruct the agent to show a warning at that view. I was referring specifically to a git clone project model, and I want you to show a warning info box in a place that I've indicated on the screenshot. Okay, good. Okay, and the clone form and inputs, we can merge that into the main branch, as I understand. Okay, good. So now I want you to commit those changes, then rebase onto the local main branch and merge to the local main branch. Okay, then it means we can extend this predefined prompt please merge, please commit staged changes. Yeah, this could be a part of the instruction that we've created at the beginning of the session, and then I could use that instead of saying the prompt. Okay, let's learn what is the reported gap in tests. Please explain in simple words what tests are missing and what is your recommendation. Husnain, if you are still with us, please let me know how is it going with the switching from Windows to Linux. Do you have it already? Did you install it? Please let me know if you are still here. Okay, and this agent in the top right corner finished its work, so this could be maybe, yeah, it's time for the cleanup prompt. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, these are silly examples, but once you start using the application more often and you start working with multiple agents, then you can come up with ideas of having more useful prompts for different scenarios, and then instead of dictating, you can just drag and drop them. Okay, so we are waiting for agents, and in the meantime, I would like to share with you the new section and for the home page of the project that I've added recently, and that is the supported languages section. So it is in the, so this is below the IDE description, and that's exactly how it looks at the moment. So we have built-in LSPs for Python, PHP, TypeScript, and JavaScript. If you would like to learn more, then you can click to see details. There is a button, and that's exactly the table that I told you about, where you can in more details learn what the application provides. Let me make it bigger for you. Okay, like this. Yeah. So that's the breakdown of functionalities. It doesn't mean this is all. No, this is not. I mean, that's not the fixed state. That's what I wanted to say. So we will work in the future on making it better and extend the LSP functionalities. But as well, I would like to hear from you if this is what you are expect to have in the Shikigami, in the application, or maybe there is yet another language that you use a lot and that is popular in the agentic development. If yes, then we can as well add it, but please let me know in the comment section, or you can join the Discord server and let me know there. We can connect on LinkedIn as well. And below the table there is also a description, more detailed, what is supported, what are the limitations, and I know that there are some, so just for you to not be surprised that LSP in the application might have different coverage in terms of features than, for example, other popular IDEs. I am aware of that, and we dedicate some time during live streams as well to improve that. Okay, so we are waiting for the missing tests in the left session and in the right session. So the root cause was identified, and if those two, okay, the agent will add the check. Okay, good. So if we manage to finish these two things within the next few minutes, then I would like to release both of them right after the live stream. And this is going to be a patch version release, because most of the things that will be included are fixes. And if you haven't tried the application yet, then I strongly recommend you to try. The application is for free and will be for free even if we switch from beta to alpha. The intention is not to charge you, it's not to make money on it, it's more about giving developers a nice option to move away from paid applications or from applications that are provided by startups, and in exchange for a free usage you will be locked in, or you have to pay in a different way, like for example analytics or something like that. So there is no built-in telemetry in the application. Let me say it one more time. I mentioned that a few times in previous live streams, so let me say it one more time. There is no telemetry. So if there is an error, if you work with the application, if you work with multiple agents and you face an issue, there will be a toast with a notification that the error happened. You can click on it and then take a look at details. There will be a dedicated button to copy an error, and I would like to ask you to share that error with me, either on the Discord server, the link is in the description, or via LinkedIn, you can find me there as well. And please share the error, because then I will react and I will fix the issue. There is no other way for me to learn that something happened. And one more thing, so let me remind you as well that the Windows build is ready. It isn't publicly available yet, but you can join the testers group if you would like to. Please let me know and I will share the link with you. I test it as well whenever I have some time. This is still a new thing, it's a fresh thing. I've just started, so please give me some time and then I will make it public for you. Okay, and the API connection error, that bug, it looks like it's done. Okay, but these are end-to-end tests, so I will run them before the release. So then it means that we can merge that. If not already, and I'm gonna reuse the predefined prompt. Of course, these prompts can be much longer. It's just that this is a new thing, still a new thing in the application, and I didn't have time to prepare more of them for other cases as well. Okay, so please merge that into the local main branch. Into the local main branch, please. Okay, good, so that is merged. Let me as well update the state on our dashboard. So that is in the manual verifications. One more thing, we are waiting for one more thing, and we are good to go. Okay, now end to end. So that is for the Git detection, I guess. A scenario. Okay, good. So now it's time for the last thing. But you know what? It's over an hour of the live stream, so let me wrap it up. So we verified things that we worked on last time. We also fixed bugs today, which is great as well. So, and important thing for today, the news of this day is the Windows support, and this is ready for now for a closed group of testers. If you would like to join them, please let me know. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, or you can join our Discord server. And that will be it for today. So more things to do next week. I'm pretty sure there will be a session maybe on Tuesday. I can't promise at this point, but for sure we will meet again soon. And that will be it for today. So thank you for joining. Thank you for all the likes and subscriptions. Over 60 subscribers. I am very happy. I never thought that we will reach that number. So thank you. I am grateful for that. And that's it for today. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to test the application. It is for free and will be for free. That is my intention. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye.